Our Openbox is working fine now. I will exit it to go back to the terminal. Right click, exit, and exit. Okay, we are at the terminal again. So the next thing we need to do is install some package like a web browser, a taskbar, a text editor, and a good terminal. Sudo apt get install Firefox Tint2 Geany is the text editor, Tint2 is the taskbar, and Terminator is the terminal emulator. It's much better than the default one. Enter. Okay, it may take a while. I will pause video again. And yeah. Okay, the installation had been finished. We're now testing our newly installed package. Start it. To start the graphical user interface. And we are on Openbox again. And terminal emulator. Yes, this is a Terminator. Much better than the default terminal. And Geany. Here, very good text editors. And then Tint2. Yes, we are now having the taskbar. It will help us switching tasks in the installation process. And here are web browsers, Firefox. Yes, the reasons I told you to install a web browser is a lot of material from this point on will be available online for you to easier just copy paste some commands. Okay,